Partly to mostly clear skies at the moment. We will start to see increasing cloud cover overnight, maybe even a light stray sprinkle and then a few more isolated showers during the day tomorrow. That'll be the start for what will end up being kind of daily rain chances Thursday, Friday, and unfortunately on into the weekend as well. 65 degrees our current reading. Humidity is higher. Not a muggy feel, but definitely this evening kind of a cool, damp feel. And temperatures only dropping into the 50s as dew points are in the 50s, so no 40s like we saw this morning. And winds are light but coming off of the Gulf. So few upper 50s already on the map, such as in Picayune and Bay St. Louis. Elsewhere in the low 60s this evening, and humidity again higher. Not muggy, but a more damp feel. Now steadily it will start to feel more muggy. Not really tomorrow, but more so Thursday and kind of peaking into the weekend with a surge of Gulf moisture that'll help to also fuel some showers and thunderstorms. The first disturbance that'll bring us our chance for a few light showers is actually kind of moving into Texas right now. This little feature is embedded within an overall southwesterly flow that'll be setting up, and that'll kind of start our shower activity tomorrow at about 20%, but more so starting on Thursday. Then we're going to be focusing on this deepening upper trough. This will send several little disturbances, impulses around, and each one of those is what helps to trigger our shower activity and kind of bringing in basically a daily rain chance. What we're also going to be watching is a frontal boundary setting up to our north. This is where we're expecting most of the rain Friday and on into the weekend. What's going to hold that front up, at least in the near future, will be that southwesterly flow. It'll be kind of running parallel to the front. So we need something to push the front south. That something will be a deep upper trough that'll come out of Canada, and that'll push the front south of us sometime probably later in the day on Sunday, and then clearing out by Monday. What this upper trough is also going to help to do, and we'll talk about that in a few moments, is a big drop in our temperatures by next week. As far as our rainfall accumulation go, most models indicating the front will stall north of us, Texas, northern Louisiana, into Mississippi and Alabama, and that's where the Weather Prediction Center is placing some of our highest rainfall totals. Not as much overall across southeast Louisiana, but a few locations could see some downpours that lead to some street flooding. A bit more of a threat from the northern Florida parishes northward. And this is again going to be that corridor where the front stalls beginning Friday and on into the weekend, and where we would likely have a bit more of a threat for flooding rain. Not as much across southeast Louisiana. Not to say we won't see any heavy downpours, as we certainly could. And our models indicating maybe a fairly wet day on Friday with a chance for some downpours leading to some minor flooding. Now at the moment, the model's not as aggressive during the day Saturday south of the lake, a little bit more focused north. If that is the case, then maybe our Irish Channel Parade doesn't have too many issues, may have a few stray showers, but maybe more of a focus on the North Shore. We will see. Sunday, a little bit more rainfall spread out across the South Shore, but also the models have backed off on the amount of rainfall. Earlier, as of yesterday, had a bit more aggressive along that front Sunday before it finally swept on through by Sunday night. Again, I'm not focusing too much on those exact percentages, but certainly we will see daily rain chances beginning on Thursday, taking us right into the weekend. So warmer, more humid this week with our daily rain chances beginning. Exact percentages by Thursday still in question, but we will be turning much cooler starting on Monday. So once we get through our warm, more humid weekend with those rain chances, temperatures coming way down. Maybe one last final taste of winter-like temperatures as we head into early next week.